Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to perform short free kicks. In the beginning let's go to Training Hub, Attacking and go to short free kicks. In short free kicks, firstly you have to select target, then select angle of the ball. Next, press square button, but be careful not to shoot too hard and too slow. Also, in the ending time of shoot, press circle button again. Thanks to this, the outcome will be best. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.